Hi guys, thanks for joining this shop with me. I am loving Dollar Tree right now. I'm actually seeing a little bit of fall and a little bit of Christmas, believe it or not. But I'm going to get some essentials that I need for the house as far as cleaning. And I'm going to pick up some more supplies for my coffee station. I'll see you at the house. Hi guys, we just left the store and got home, and I wanted to show you some of the items that I actually got because I thought they were so cute. And these will be in upcoming DIYs. I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to do, but you know I love me some Dollar Tree. And I'm there a lot, but I haven't seen these there yet. But I thought they were so cute. Home, Love, and Gather. So I'm going to do a DIY with these. I don't know where I'm going to put everything, but it's going to be really cute. I've got some ideas. Now I'm also working on my coffee. Alright guys, I also found some cute little pumpkins to go in my coffee station, and I'm going to show you what they look like. They're really cute. I just really like the colors. They have other colors. These were just the ones I chose. Alright, and I also got some candle holders. So I always get the candle holders because I'm always doing some kind of tablescape, and I like to have a variety of colors. So I got a white one. It wasn't in the bag, so I guess it fell out in the car. Either way, it cost $1, so I'm not worried about it. I want to do a shout out to Penny's Place because she had a video that saved me a lot of money. So I waste dye on my carpet, and you know my house is staging for sale, so it was either get that dye out the carpet or replace it ASAP. So I looked up tons of YouTube videos on how to get stains out of carpet. Someone recommended baking soda and vinegar, and it actually did work, but it did not get it out completely. And I had other people verifying it just in case. I thought maybe because I knew where it was that I could still see it, but no, it was still there. Awesome is what got it out. So thank you, Penny's Place, because she did a video showing how she took this stain totally out of her carpet, and it worked. I mean, I just followed exactly what she told me, and I said, you know, if it just helps a little bit, that's perfect, because that's all I need. It's just a little stain at this point. And her directions were to, you know, pour the Awesome, spray it on the stain, and with a brush it and, you know, rub it in, make sure it's in there in the fibers, and then let it sit. I let it sit for 15 minutes. And then she said just take the solution, whatever you use in your carpet cleaner, and run over it. And I did that, and it got the stains out. So I'm so happy. Thank you, Penny, from Penny's Place. All right, guys, as you know, if you're new, welcome. Please hit that subscribe button if you like this content. If you've been here since day one, you know I'm a DIYer. So every time I hit Dollar Tree, I try to get some foam board. So I got some foam board, and I got my handy tacky glue. So thanks guys so much for tuning in for this short shop with me vlog, and I will see you on the next one.